Good morning, good morning, good morning. Great day to be a Bronco. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a B day. It is May 19th. I'm sorry about that, 2020. And today is the last B day of the school year. From here on till May 27th, we will be doing catch up days. So, the biggest thing, the biggest message for you is get your work turned in as quickly as possible. Do a good job. That way you can get feedback from your teacher and resubmit your work and get everything turned in so that your GPA can be as high as possible, so that you have completed all the coursework that you need to complete for this school year. Please, please, please do a good job with your coursework. Want to remind the seniors that we are doing Chromebook pickup, textbook pickup today, this morning. We'll be doing it every morning, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday in the evening. So, Chromebook drop off is part of the list to check off for seniors to complete their work and be eligible for diploma distribution. Should do a good job with that. Guys, yesterday, speaking of my seniors, we went into the studio to record the portions of the virtual graduation. And I got the opportunity to give my principal's address to the student body in my last official time that I will be speaking directly to you guys and about you guys. I got to tell you, man, I got a little emotional. I believe this is a unbelievable group of kids, unbelievable group of students. I believe that you guys are destined for greatness, and it's just I was overtaken by the message that I was sharing with you and the visuals that came to mind, and how much we care about you guys. So I think that'll be a special graduation um, virtual ceremony. I think it's going to be really, really nice, really well done. A lot of time and effort went into that, and I appreciate the folks that did put all that time and effort into that. I want to encourage you guys to read. I want to encourage you guys to journal. Even if it's a scrapbook, write some thoughts down. I need you to exercise your brain. I need you to think. I need you to stay sharp with it, or however you want to say it, but I need you guys to do something cognitive or metacognitive every single day. You cannot sit on the couch and watch cartoons and eat the gummy bears. You can't do it every single day. You have to be active. You have to connect with your peers, and you have to think. And those are the things that are going to keep us mentally fit, mentally healthy going into the next couple of weeks. We're getting ready to go into our summer break, and I encourage you guys to continue to hashtag FDHS Bronco Strong. I saw Coach Ed with a push-up challenge on social media. Shout out to Coach Ed. So really, really do a good job and take care of yourself. Because if you can take care of yourself, then it becomes easier to take care of the ones around you. Um, and this is the time for it. This is the time when we all rally around each other and support each other. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, and it is an honor and a privilege to serve you in this capacity.